Today we're going over how to install the proximity sensor on the chicken plucker. This system works in a two-part system. Okay, first the sticker here and the sticker on the drum that comes down over it have to line up, and it has to be latched in securely. Inside that that drum, there's two pieces of metal that stick out that make contact with the sensor, and the sensor's right here. That's the sensor. So it has to be able to touch that, and then the system will read that it is making connection. Now, a lot of people put in the sensor in different ways. They put it in like this, put it in like this, and even like that, or even this way. But those don't do anything. This part right here, this thick part, is the sensor right here. Okay, this has to go up in just like so, like this. Just go up and in. Meet the holes match right there. All right, see the holes match, and then come out the top side like so. Okay, if you're putting it any other way, it's not going to make connection. All right, you have two screws. So like I say, you just line up the holes, and you put the two screws through. Okay, and that is how you do it. Now, preferably you do this when it's not plugged in. Take it, plug it in. Make sure you always do a trip test. Okay, trip test, light on, light off, and then you'll be able to start it. Okay.